Meaning of impracticability.
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 Impracticability. Impracticability refers to a condition where a task cannot be carried out due to practical barriers or impossibility. It is often used in legal contexts and can provide a defense against contractual obligations if the contract cannot be fulfilled due to unforeseen circumstances beyond the control of the parties involved. Impracticability can also refer to situations where the cost or difficulty of completing a task renders it unreasonable to pursue. Thus, impracticability implies that an action is simply not feasible, and no reasonable effort can accomplish it.